Well, there's been a barrage of scathing statements against Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane. This is Spina's.
Much of the orders are vague, contradictory, and or nonsensical.
Well, there's been a barrage of scathing statements against Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane which speak to her character. This does not inspire much confidence among some citizens. It's not looking good for the very role of supporting this constitutional democracy. Well, that was this week's edition of the PolitBureau. Until next time, take care.